from the moment we roll into town. We're lifting hearts, turning lives around, breaking chains, bending bars, showing kids they're made for the stars. Omegaman and friends are here, bringing courage, crushing fear. We talk about choices, kindness, respect, planting seeds that take effect. Tree rolls in the halls. We're heroes in the homes, shining bright, teaching every kid to do what's right. Dream makers, we take that stand, changing hearts all across this land. We break the hate, we build the love, with power and faith from God above. Omegaman and friends, strong and true. The hero inside lives in you. It's not about fame, it's not for applause. We're building character, that's our cause. We teach respect, we teach belief, that kindness brings the greatest relief. When bullies strike, we say no way. Heroes rise and light the way. We lift, we flex, we crush.